Music there from William Steffy.
Yellow Beatnik なアーティスト William Steffy から新しいアルバム
The name of the guy is Bill Steffy.
Bueno, joven, no vamos a llamarle señor, ni mucho menos. Con Bill.
William Steffy wrote, recorded, produced, performed, everything.
Now available for purchase, William Steffy's 25, The Silver Collection, featuring music and video from the past 25 years, all on a 2 DVD set. The Silver Collection contains all 10 William Steffy albums, from 1989's Up on the Rock to Kid Ghosts, released in 2012.
These currents are rolling over the line and into the Palisades. If I knew better, I'd roll with the view.
The Silver Collection also includes 72 unreleased songs, including 2 brand new tracks from just this year. But that's not all. The DVDs also contain 16 music videos, including live performances by William and his band, as well as a 3D video for the song Breakdown at Creation. William Steffy's 25, The Silver Collection, now available for sale exclusively at williamsteffy.com.